In the bustling town of Lexiconville, words were keys to a mystic heritage. The noun, the cornerstone of sentences, was vital. Ms. Rabina, the wise librarian, guarded the dictionary containing all words in the great library. One morning, the noun vanished from the dictionary, causing chaos in Lexiconville. Signs became incoherent, and names disappeared. An emergency meeting was called, and Mayor Mr. Punctuate sought a hero to retrieve the noun. Timmy Articleson, a curious young boy known for finding lost things, volunteered to find the noun. Ms. Verbena gave him a magical quill to guide him. The townspeople sent him off with hopes for his success. Timmy's quest led him through Synonyms Street and Homophones Harbor, guided by verbs and adjectives, to Thesaurus Woods. There, words twisted in a labyrinth of meaning. He met a conundrum fairy who posed a riddle. The conundrum fairy's riddle was about an abstract noun. Timmy answered correctly, gaining passage through the woods. He reached the heart of Thesaurus Woods, where the word obfuscate held the noun captive. Obfuscate, a cranky verb, had taken the noun to make others appreciate meaning without it. Timmy explained the importance of all words working together, convincing obfuscate to release the noun. With the noun in hand, Timmy returned to Lexiconville. The townspeople cheered as words regained meaning. Timmy was hailed as a hero, and his adventure was recorded in the dictionary by Ms. Verbena. Lexiconville celebrated all words, understanding their unique significance. The town thrived, sharing stories through language, with the cherished noun central to expression.